blueberry dump cake a la mode. Blueberry dump cake. I firmly believe that everyone should have at least one good dump cake recipe in their arsenal. When you're short on time, energy, mixing bowls, a dump cake is a lifesaver. Blueberries are at the peak ripeness and sweetness this time of the year, and I could not wait to bring to you this blueberry dump cake. This is a 4 ingredient dessert where blueberries are the star of the show. I know you're going to like this one, and when you do, you hit that thumbs up. If you are new, I hope that you will subscribe and also hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. Also, don't forget to add me a comment and check out the other recipes on the channel. Hang out with me. Let's dump this together. To start this blueberry dump cake, you're going to need a 9 by 13 baking dish, and you're going to want to grease this. I have sprayed mine with a little bit of baker's joy. You know I'm always looking for those shortcuts. You'll also want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next, you will need 2 cans of a blueberry pie filling and just add it to the bottom of your baking dish. This will be a very simple but delicious blueberry dump cake. We're just dumping everything in too. We will add some fresh ingredients to this though, and just spread this out on the bottom of your baking dish as even as possible. Nobody's keeping score though. This is your blueberry dump cake. We're going to add our cake mix now. Yes, ma'am, I am using another boxed cake. This is what makes these recipes so easy. You can throw it together in a jiffy. I am using a yellow. This is a butter golden, but it's a yellow cake mix. You can use yellow or white with this. And you're just going to spread this out over the pie filling. You guys leave me a comment if you would rather see these quick jiffy cakes done with a cake box cake, or if you would rather see them done by scratch. I have lots of both of those recipes, but just add me a comment down there. You will then want to spread out your cake mixture as even as you can. Again, guys, we're not keeping score, but we do want it spread as even as we can over the top of that pie filling. Our next dump to this blueberry dump cake is going to be our butter. We need 1.5 sticks, and cold butter works best for this because you're going to cut it up into like tablespoon pieces. And you will just lay these out across the cake mix. I am going to now add our fresh blueberries. These blueberries are in season here in Florida, and these came right down the street in Riverview. So you will add 2 cups of fresh blueberries to the top of your blueberry dump cake. I'm going to add just a little bit of flaked salt to the top of this just to cut some of that sugar. And guys, this is totally optional. You do not have to do the salt, and it will still be super delicious. How easy was that? I say very easy. Simply Southern. I'm going to put this in the oven for 45 minutes. Again, that's going to be at 350 degrees. Our blueberry dump cake is out of the oven. We're going to let it cool for a moment, then we're going to get into this. We're going to be serving this classic Southern style a la mode. My favorite part of every cook is the taste test, and I can hardly wait to get into this one. These blueberries are so plump. And of course, you know that ice cream with those blueberries. I wished I could hand you a bowl. Guys, that is delicious. This will be a hit if you take this to a homecoming or a potluck. Take it to a cookout. People will be wanting this recipe and they won't be able to believe how easy it was to put together. It's an easy peasy blueberry dump cake. I hope that you have enjoyed this recipe. And if you did, you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit notifications. Also, share our channel out to your friends and family. We're growing here. And leave me a comment. Guys, I hope that you will take care this week and God bless.